Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You begin by collecting the essentials and starting immediately. Combine a neutral base, cream, batter, or mayonnaise, with your pigment choice. Turmeric gives warm yellow, saffron gives golden depth, and food dye gives consistent hue. Whisk the pigment into a small amount of warm liquid first to dissolve it, then fold into the larger batch. Once done, heat gently while stirring to set color. Make sure to have a fine sieve and tasting spoon ready so you can adjust intensity as you go. Once you have the base colored, focus on control and consistency. You slowly add the dissolved pigment while stirring constantly. This prevents streaks and uneven spots. Test a small dollop on a white plate or spoon and let it rest. Colors often deepen as they sit. If the yellow is too intense, dilute with more base. If it's too pale, add tiny increments of pigment, mixing thoroughly between additions. Make sure to balance flavor impact, since turmeric and saffron taste strong. You complete the process by gently heating to stabilize the color and integrate flavors. Keep heat low to avoid browning that shifts yellow toward brown. Once done, strain if you see specks and chill or serve as needed. If the shade skewed orange, stir in a small amount of white base to cool the tone. If it's too pale, add a concentrated touch of pigment. One key troubleshooting tip: if color dulls, a tiny splash of acid like lemon brightens yellow without altering texture.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.